with image generation, and then we'll go on to animate those images as well. And very importantly, we'll see if there's any kind of limit to the A solitary figure in a worn cyber jacket harvests luminous orbs from chrome tendrils in a decayed grove. Corroded bots hum overhead, amid violet fog weaving through warped trunks that flicker with organic energy. First text prompt into this field at the bottom of the page. You can see add media, I'm assuming to act as some kind of image reference. We can pick between effect, and then when we come across to the aesthetics. Parameters, this is when it becomes pretty clear in style slow dolly move in. And look, we've already got back this video generation. Vibrant or pastel tones, prompting tips. Add adjectives like style 0916 1. Aesthetics final advice. So crazy scenario.